Script title: Maximizing Incident Response Prowess with Azure Alerting - background music fades in. Hello, cloud enthusiasts and cyber guardians. Today, we are diving deep into the SOF 00T of Azure Alerting, your unsung hero in fortifying incident response strategies. Azure isn't just a platform, it's your cybersecurity fortress. Let's harness the strength of its alerting system to build an unbreakable shield around your data. Are you ready to become the master of your cyber domain? Let the enhancement begin. Section 1. Unveiling Azure's Inner Workings. As Senior Cloud Architect Neeraj QZZ, I'll lead us through the treasure trove of Azure's alerting mechanisms. Our adventure starts with the ideal implementation architecture, where seamless integration between Azure services and your existing systems is key. Picture this: an Azure VM suddenly goes offline, triggering an alert that instantly reaches our incident manager. With Azure's robust automation pipelines, they can now not only detect but also respond with customized incident response actions that are tailored to real-time scenarios. Section 2. Mastering the alert configuration. Next up is the art of fine-tuning these alarms with impregnable precision. Let's configure a multi-factor alert rule using the Azure Monitor Toolkit. I'll demonstrate setting thresholds that accurately reflect our business objectives and user patterns, ensuring that only true threats or critical deviations trigger an alarm. This way, we avoid the notification fatigue that plagues the unwary and sharpen the focus on genuine threats. Section 3. Surging ahead into advanced troubleshooting. Emergencies need rapid resolution. I'll unlock the secrets to diving straight into the heart of the storm using Azure's log analytics. With customized queries that tap into CustoDB logs, we'll swiftly trace an alert back to its cause, enabling us to execute targeted remediation with the swiftness of a seasoned warrior. Every second saved is a second Safegu.